How to change the Windows default command prompt. Method 1. Change Windows default command prompt using Windows settings. Step 1. Open Windows settings. Press Windows ++I to open the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to System Settings. In Settings window, click on System. Step 3. Access the About section. Scroll down in the left sidebar and select About. Step 4. Open Advanced System Settings. In the About section, click on Advanced System Settings on the right side to open the System Properties window. Step 5. Open Environment Variables. In System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. Step 6. Edit the path variable. Environment Variables window. Find the path variable in the System Variables section, select it, and click Edit. Step 7. Add new command prompt path. In the Edit Environment Variable window, add the new path for the command line interface you want to set as default. Example, to set PowerShell as default, add C. Windows System 30 to Windows PowerShell Phone 0. Step 8. Save your changes. Click OK to save your changes. Step 9. Restart your computer. Restart your computer for changes to take effect.